Hi guys, today, bro, get out. Today, my mom bought me something dangerous. Just kidding. My mom bought me a squishy, and it's special. But by the way, you know that I have a butter squishy? It's good. It's very good. So, he needs a friend. So, my mom bought me something. It's a squishy again. So, I bought a dumpling, a squishy dumpling. You know the viral squishy dumpling? It's a squishy dumpling, that I want to eat. It's so yummy, so yummy. It's a squishy dumpling. I really like it. So, today we're going to open it together. Mwah. Mwah, mwah. By the way, this is my new base for my new dragon. Okay, let's open it. Face reveal. 3, 2, 1. Face reveal. Okay, just kidding. Real face reveal will come soon. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Wow. Hello, guys. Okay. Hi guys. Today we're opening a squishy dumpling. This is my first time. This is my first time having these. It's so special. It's also Korean, but something that is this. Okay, I'm excited what I'm gonna get. So let's open this right away, baby. Okay. Ooh, this is so hard. I don't really want to separate them because this is new. I bought it today. There's tape that I can remove. You guys, if you have a dumpling, squishy dumpling, you just rip it. You can just do this thing. Let me keep this. It's so pretty. Okay. I'm so excited. So there's tape all over here. So let's open this. It might take a while, so okay guys, I'm almost done. I just need one more tape and then I'm ready. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, reveal test. You guys can see, but I'm gonna close my eyes. See? 3, 2, 1. What did I get? I got the real one. Are you serious? I got the real one. I got the real one, guys. It's the blue glitter. I love it. Okay, guys, if you don't know about dumplings, squishy dumplings, it's a viral dumpling that has common and rare things and tie-dye, galaxy, a lot, but I got a rare one. But I was wishing for the gold glitter. But by the way, I have this blue glitter. So rare. I don't know how I got these, but it's so good. I love